Welcome back, everybody. I'm Kalani, and we're doing some Bembe-style percussion ensemble arrangements with bongos, bell, block, congas, and shake hat over here, which could be a shake-a-day. And I'm going to show you all the parts that I just layered into the looper. And I'll explain what's going on with these instruments up here. First, I want to say welcome back to World Drum Club. And if you like this content, please like it, subscribe right away, and hit the bell so you don't miss any updates. All right, so let's look at what we're doing here. This is a 6/8 rhythm. You could talk about it in terms of being 12/8, but it's 2 bars of 6. Here's the bell pattern with the shake hat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then I added a block. Dun, 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 dun. Basically, these are outlining the same pattern. And then we've got bongos. We've got congas. And a quinto. Okay, so let's go over all the parts separately. The bell pattern, I think you guys are familiar with, but let's just count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, deet, 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 bon, bon, beep, beep, beep. 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's the bell. Or the block, rather. Dun, 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 dun. 1. 1. So if you get lost, listen for the shake. Now let's go to the overhead and the bongos. Hey, 1, 1, 3, 1. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1. And this could be done with one hand or two hands. And let's look at the congas. Tone, 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 bass, tone, 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 tone. Sorry, again. Tone, 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 bass, tone. Let's break that down and learn the two conga part a little bit more slowly. And again, this is one possibility, this is one kind of arrangement. So what we're doing here is we're playing and 1, right? There's a pickup, 6, 1, and then, so that's on the right hand, on the tumba, and then we've got a hand or bass tone on the conga, 1, 1, and 1, 2, all right? And now we're gonna go to the conga for a tone, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3, right, right, left, right. And now we've got a series of what I call hand fingers on the right hand, fingers, and we're gonna do, after that tone, we're gonna do hand, fingers, bass, hand, fingers, tone. So you guys might refer to these as heel toe. Doesn't really matter what you call it, but it's a flat hand and then fingers on the drum. So let's go from the beginning of the pickup slowly. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we've got 3 hand fingers, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we start over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tone, tone, tone. Bass, tone, 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 tone. Bass, tone. All right, let's listen to that with the bell patterns and the block and the bongos. I'll turn the bongos down a little bit. Here we go. And choose any pattern to play along. So you guys work on one of those patterns that we've already covered. I'm gonna play the conga part, which is a 2 against 3. Okay, let's look at this pattern, the 2 against 3, a little more closely. So it's a simple part, actually, just 2 in the space of 3. So what we're doing is we're splitting the 3 right down the middle. So we're going to think about in 1, 2, 3, we're going to play 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3, 1, 2, and 3. Something you can try to work on that is do 3 in one hand and 2 in the other. And what you can do is together, right? Together, in this case, since I've got the 2 on my left hand, I'm going to say together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. Together, right, left, right. And then the only thing we're going to change on the left is we're going to do tone and then a muted slap or closed slap, which means we're staying on the head, right? We're not doing an open slap. We're doing a grab slap, closed slap. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Tone, slap, tone, slap, tone, slap, tone, slap. Let's do it with the track. All right, you guys. So that's what I have for you all in this part of the lesson. I'm going to do a part 2 or an extension of this and show you some fills and soloing ideas over at patreon.com/Kalani. So if you're a patron, you'll have access to that. I encourage you to become a patron. You get so much more, actually hundreds of other videos and lessons over at our Patreon page, patreon.com/Kalani. So go over there if you want to learn more. If this is enough, that's cool. Like it, subscribe, hit the bell. Also, I want to mention these instruments here are from Native Tongue Percussion, and these attach onto your drums. It's a little pad, a striker, and in this case, I've got a block over here, and then I've got a cowbell up on the macho side of the bongos. So I can play the cowbell and the block with my hands without picking up a stick, without picking up a bell, anything. It's just right there. I love these things. Native Tongue Percussion. You can check those out over at their website. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'm Kalani, and we'll see you in a future lesson. Enjoy.